Have you ever wondered if that quick packaged snack you grab between meetings could be quietly increasing your long term risk of diabetes? Today, we are looking at real scientific evidence examining ultra processed food consumption and its association with diabetes risk. Urban Indian diets are changing rapidly. Convenience foods, packaged snacks, ready to eat meals, and sugary beverages are more accessible than ever. At the same time, India is one of the highest burdens of type 2 diabetes globally. So researchers are asking an important question. Is there a measurable link between higher ultra processed food intake and diabetes risk? There was a systematic review and meta analysis. It means the researchers collected and combined data from multiple large prospective cohort studies. In total, 14 studies were included. These were observational studies following participants over time to see who developed diabetes. The analysis included approximately 692,508 adults over 18 years of age. Participants were followed for several years and their dietary intake was measured before the diabetes developed. Now, let's take a look at the key findings. The individuals with the highest ultra processed food consumption had a 24% higher risk of developing diabetes compared to those with the lowest consumption. Statistically, this was reported as a hazard ratio of 1.24. This does not mean 24 out of 100 people will get diabetes, but it means the relative risk was 24% higher compared to the lowest intake group. Let's understand the dose response. The study found that for every 10% increase in the total ultra processed food intake, diabetes risk increased by approximately 13%. It suggests that even gradual increases in ultra processed food intake may matter over time. Ultra processed foods are often higher in added sugars, refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and lower in fiber. These kind of dietary patterns contributes to weight gain, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation, all of which are known contributors to type 2 diabetes. For urban Indian adults, the takeaway is not elimination but reduction. Improving overall diet quality matters the most. Choose more minimally processed foods like dals, vegetables, fruits, nuts, traditional home cooked meals. Limit the frequency of packaged snacks, sugary drinks, and instant meals. So, what can be the call of action here? The ultra processed food intake is associated with increased diabetes risk, according to the current evidence. Now, this reinforces the importance of dietary pattern quality rather than just focusing on a single nutrient. That was all the research insight in today's video. If you found this useful, consider subscribing for more such evidence based nutrition insight and share this video with someone who values scientific clarity in health decisions.